admin. After you open up now your mobile phone like this, now go to your profile at the bottom right side and go to settings at the top right side. So from this option, now scroll to down and go to advanced. So here is advanced. After you open advanced, now make sure you turn on this developer mode. So make sure you turn on developer mode like this and tap on this back arrow, back and back. Go to this home again. So from this option, now go ahead and open up now the server that you want to copy its ID. So let's say I go with this one. After you open the server like this, now tap on this back arrow. So here is server. I will tap on this name of the server at the top. So from this option, now you can just scroll all the way to down and tap on this copy server ID button. So now I copy the server ID. Now tap on this back again. Now if you want to see the server ID, just tap on this, like this message section. Open a compilation and just paste it like this now. So as you can see now here is the server ID, and that's it guys.